Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well as always. This is Subhendra from Not Complicated English. Guys, today we are going to talk about two most important idioms in English. If you're a beginner, you must watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Guys, our first idiom is red letter day. Guys, if you really don't know when to use this idiom, don't worry because I am going to tell you when to use red letter day idiom. If a day is very special or memorable to you, then you can use this idiom. For example, today you got your first job and you really want to remember this day forever. In this case, today is a red letter day to you. I hope it's clear. Now comes our second idiom. It's in no time. Guys, this idiom can replace the word immediately. For example, you can say she has to catch the bus in no time, otherwise she may miss the bus. Instead of saying she has to catch the bus immediately, otherwise she may miss the bus. So guys, for today I am done. If you found this video useful for you as well as for your friends, please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to get more. Thank you so much for investing your time to watch.